rather than reducing scuff the pipe. And why? Hey Johnny, why should people subscribe to our channel?
Cause we're the shit.
It rains like twice a year in San Diego, like actual rain. I get to wear my boots. What up, dude? That's like a foot of water, dude. Hey, this is Red with Surf Bros HVAC. We are at your building, but we can't really find parking anywhere nearby.
It's kind of a tricky situation with the parking.
There is like some parking in the back alley we are at right now that says assigned parking. I don't know if we're gonna get towed if we were to park here.
I think if you were to keep your hazards in the back, it should be fine.
Yeah, I think that we're okay to chance it. We're gonna be pretty quick. So your building is kind of like this orangish, reddish building, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we are
I can meet you guys in the back right now.
Cool, sweet. We will see you back here. We're in a white 4Runner.
Perfect.
Sweet. See you in a minute. Bye. I don't actually know her name. The usual. So I will tell you, probably the most important thing if you're ever on these, estimating them, like grabbing info, is, well, there's two things: the tonnage and the duct width, because they make these in a bunch of different sizes, but they in like different tonnages, and they have multiple options for duct width. And so if you can order the same tonnage by the same company and get the wrong width, and then you're in for a world of hurt if it's too big. Your landlord said you had another company out?
Yeah, like a couple of months ago, like right when we first moved in, we noticed that the AC was like dripping water, like a fuck ton. And someone came in, supposedly fixed it, it was fine, and then a couple days later it was the same thing. It was just like dripping. So we turned it off. And I think he came in again, and they were like, yeah, it's broken. And we just haven't had heat or AC for the past like 3 or 4 months or something like that.
Did the guy seem like he knew what he was talking about?
I don't know. He was up there for like quite a while.
On the roof?
No,
In
just
here.
here, yeah.
Got it. Man, this thing sounds like it's struggling.
It is struggling.
All right. I am fucking soaked. 311. Bro, they're not labeled. What the fuck? I don't know the unit number.
It might be this one. Is this next open?
No, that's 3 something. That's Red with Surf Bros HVAC. I'm on the roof right now getting absolutely soaked, but it's no problem. I came up here on my own volition, so but I don't know which unit it is that they're not labeled. And I mean, it's kind of just pouring rain right now. We're gonna need a crane for this. That's what I'm assuming how the other ones have been replaced, right? Oh, they've been replaced. Yeah, most of them have. I mean, well, I think almost all of them have been replaced. There's a few original looking units. I think even yours has been replaced. Not sure which one it is, so I could give you a quote because really they're all the same. But I know the tonnage now, but I don't know exactly which one it is. So do you want us to just do a quote and not charge you a diagnostic? Man, this is like a fucking river. Look at this shit. There's fucking waves. Woo! in the parking garage. Dude, look at this.
You just got barrels.
Guys, that car way over there, we can zoom in on this. Oh my God, what are these guys doing? I don't think they know, bro.
I think they got this as long as they keep their speed.
That truck is fine.
Yeah.
That car over there is dead. I'm just gonna, I don't know, dude.
Is that guy stranded? Yeah, he's stranded.
Oh, this guy's, oh no, he's not stuck. Is he stuck
He's
too?
stuck, dude.
We
Which
got
one?
another, this guy right here, why would he stop?
Oh yeah, he bottomed out.
Oh no, we got multiple stopped vehicles. We're not going in that, dude. Look at it, this is a fucking lake right here. Up on the dash. Are they just looking for the drain? They're like, we've never had to do this before. He doesn't give a fuck.
Oh, no. Nah, he just moved it. The water made it float.
Make sure you keep that exhaust out of there. See? Once that exhaust gets covered. There you go. Yep. He's good. He made it. Alright. I'm gonna get this. Look, do you see this? Do this.
Will this spit?
Yep. The water will reflect right off.
We fucking did it!
That shit started going through the fucking window.
Woo!
That was insane.
Yeah, buddy! That was so fucking deep! Oh my God.